In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards around in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a card to a different list, reorder it within a list, and feel confident managing your workflow with simple drag and drop. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Sign into your account so you can access your boards. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one where the project you want to edit lives. Trello will remember your last workspace, but if you don't see what you expect, use the workspace switcher to get to the correct place. Next, go to your boards view. You'll find boards in the sidebar or across the top, depending on your layout. This view shows all the boards you can access. If you're part of several teams, you'll see them grouped by workspace. Choose the board where you want to move a card and click to open it. Inside the board, you'll see lists laid out in columns, each containing cards. Find the card you want to move and hover your mouse over it. When you hover, Trello subtly highlights the card to indicate it's active. This is your cue that you can pick it up. Click and hold the card to grab it, then drag it to where you want it to go. To move it to another list, slide your cursor over to that column. As you move, you'll notice a placeholder line showing exactly where the card will land. Release the mouse to drop it into position. If you want to reorder cards within the same list, do the same thing. Drag the card up or down until the placeholder appears in the right spot, then let go. If you change your mind mid-move, simply drag the card back to its original location before releasing. A few helpful tips as you do this. If your board is long, keep holding the card and scroll the page. Trello will continue to carry the card while you scroll. You can also drag to the very top or bottom of a list to place a card first or last. Moving a card doesn't remove its members, labels, due dates, or attachments. Everything stays with the card. If your board uses automations, moving a card across lists may trigger rules, so expect any intended notifications or updates to run. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your board, hover the card, and drag it to the right spot. With a few quick moves, you can keep your workflow clean, organized, and up to date.